yamamo akwaba afitu mekane hia yen ewo Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 na yemfa kasebo no enchirimo emfa ensomo yensha kasebo na se ne yemfa mfiri enkrapompure mantemu ne yenkopie mu awablekuma not abato empesu aso na Ghana fo bekaya emfempim yenu ne adonu nan oman nya kwoto aba abato na chire no memia hodo nyinada obi ansa kan ma hye betwani nanso ade hye a wonmo ablekuma not ekwojeta omoye de ombeye bia atentam womma se bedwani no MPP ne ani se manyoko mienu wei asono mienu omone asase nya ntokwa bra asase abre wokurum ha tesamo prayer ekoda ne bo amfa ne senti electoral commission entimi anikre nipakuro di nkunim ewo 2024 ablekuma not parliamentary eye chesene abato no omahu di odi mu nkunim na electoral commission edi nedwan esi ho ne mo se abato no ne enkwaso ablekuma not eye miaya makoma kutu nkron 19 polling stations ene enyasim kuma abato no hyiase ka ma ne asomdwem kakra nkram ene wiem wakakra na nsɛmtwani ba ko ya adwuma edema EIB network GH1 TV me wafa ase ajekum banahene enno post ni dia kana so ntem paw na sina ni so apa ne manches na nani ekwa anwan se ya ablekuma not ene nyasim kuma yenim se to atwa didi mu sa ekwa wie ho no ma yenya yenim aka ne oswafo no hwe ma Ghana enam yesu ma Ghana Mavis hawa kumisin okopie mo na akwageta ene nyasim kuma se yakata sabi enso buru akasa buru enkasa petepete me ho ene St. Peter's Society Methodist Church polling station honom odoko ene ehowuru papa Mavis hawa kumisin yenim de esi yo na ne wanche no momfa no fa ha monche no asa agro ni ya twene nam ne setim ase ba obofo a wone musi aka akopa maso na ba kwa ayi ni nyanku suri ne buafuo ya ka na to fom ene aheden aha mre Mevisa akumisina ne ene ntibampa omohwe na mo no ahu say yes in fact ene bibi wo baabi pam ene wagena ho gena pam ene wachi nya no nko a parliamentary candidate adema MP amayoko no ya maame nana owusu ekua friye ono so 2 franka de MPP ono so kirem say enipa bi do omo so akeka no enipa pe an mekese ne omaje omo ho gena e wabato mu ablekuma not anyasem kuma ne no ena aka ne frankatuni edema MPP amayoko no kura yenso na ya aka ne omampeni ebedachi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eden sma to dwo kirem say sabe enti kabnam ka bia mamu no eni ana ene yekoto aba akwakopa ma hye bedwani a asotro hyentomam Ghana ya bregu o kirem say Ghana mampeni John Dramani mama ye bibi na de akwaso e de nyamen yankopan mu nukure ni in fact emfa kwam odem sem say atudu ya kase gbanim.
So, Your Excellency, what do you make of the violence at Ablekuma North now?
Thank you very much. The report of what has gone on in North this morning is very disturbing. This is not the democracy that we want to see in Ghana. Our supporters are being attacked by thugs in the presence of the police who have been unable to protect them. Candidate Enquiries has been attacked. Our Kumsun has been attacked. Our deputy national organizer has been attacked. So many of them, Oko, Asante, many women have been attacked. At every election, we want to see that the democracy is being enhanced. And this is very important for the peace and stability of our country. You recall that the background to this particular by-election is that the police had told the EC that they were unable to provide security to collate 3 pink sheets, just security to collate 3 pink sheets. But for some reason, they were able to find security to conduct elections in 19 polling stations. And today, our people are being attacked with the police presence and unable to provide security. We don't want the country and political parties and all the people in charge of this country, the administration, to take action to bring the perpetrators to book.
Eni awoti ye aya kane frankatuni edema MPP amayoko no onu kreda nso esaye omampeni dada ebede chini din the Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ene awoti ye na no achi ena parliamentary candidate edema MPP amayoko no ewa Ablekuma North abato mpesua so nana owusu ekua efiri ye nso kirem say ene ne ho afa ne pam na nipa pina mo ya MPP amanyoko no ma ne nipa bi ache wonom esibira wonom pa wa Brikuma North
me agents me grofo a eye adwuma wo ho nyina boy ba ko ma bono ne nsa right no ehi yede no cause wo mo wo bi ape wo mo se we MPP ni you were threat to us afeni omo kan se ba ko se yen 5 o'clock omo be pam obi afri ho electoral commission for no Wamo ekan wia wamo be pamu won normal force presiding officer and say figures are omo apen on fanche ho wamo achitio esikan etio e na ekoso wa ha de ekoso wa ha no electoral commission de kan yo electoral commission de kan ye say obi wu a obi ewu wa Brikuma North na everywhere de ekoso no aseduketia one in more than 800 street point na blocking obi anko baby a chesa ni akoso wa ha no
eni a woti ye eye MPP amayoko no de otu frank ha wo mudimu apere mahyebaja konwa ewa Brikuma North ne den ede onimnyamfo nana owusu ekwia efiri ye nanu achi na Dennis Adwoa Agyei miracles onanso so akane na okasa edema Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne campaign team our 2024 na ochim senyem fat ene empamro pa akoso wo abato no mu wo ho no mo nyame no mikwanni in fact emfa kwan mu kura na mpenifo nya bibi mfanfa ho.
We have all witnessed what has gone on, especially in this particular polling station, Methodist polling station on Doko. This is where early in the morning the NDC hoodlums came in, attacked our agents, attempted to destroy the election materials, went after our party agents, beat her up mercilessly, attacked Honorable Hao Kumsin, who was standing far away with Honorable Adwoa Agyei, and stood her ground. They numbered about 30 of them. The police could not stop them. I was there myself. I'm sure a lot of you have seen me on the City TV interview. They came in with guns and machete, and the police simply had no weapons. So they had to run for their lives. So far, we have been here, and it is quite clear that the elections has resumed. We are calling on every single person at home to come out and come and vote. At this point, it's been restored, and there's calm here. And so the candidates will now speak. But before the candidate speaks, please, it's very important that the Inspector General of Police gets to know.
Any awoti ye ayo penipa kanono ene kasa edema Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia the campaign team. Eye mfempim yenu ne aduonu ene abato no ne den the doctor Dennis Adwoa Agyei na ne kwakura mo no ena aka na osafo hwe o man Ghana kuaye ene ho sensem so ne den ede plan e champon e chirim say yem fat ene de asie ehu pa
19 polling stations. One wonder that we are seeing this kind of violence. Is it one that is beyond the control of the police from 100?
No, it's not beyond the control of them. The police are built to protect the states, and when they have difficulty, they call on the military for backup. We're talking about 19 polling stations. The Republic of Ghana security agencies are telling us that they cannot protect 19 polling stations. That would be a sad society for all of us to live in. That would be, indeed, even if all the 19 are flashpoints, are we saying that the security of the state is not able to protect and provide security for 19 flashpoints in this country? The kind of force that we have, trained in mind and in body and equipped, are not able to deal with 19 flashpoints at the same time. But that is not even the case. We are talking about 3 or 4 polling stations with severe violence, and the police are helpless and just looking on. We expect the state to take action. It's supposed to be a peaceful election. We expect the state to take action so that it guides future elections. Because
any awoti ye aya kane oswafo no na wo hwe o man Ghana ye kuaye eso ne den ede Brian e champon na ne kwakura mo no e na make say eye minerals development fund boss ne den ede Hana Louisa BCU ekopiem no chirem say in fact ya ma me hawa commission bro ne de odi bro pass o mo bo no kra na we kwa de o mo de a che no kra efri say emiri bi atwam na bato mpesua so Omo hwe ne pam ono ahu say yes omo bono pam nti ene se ye buru obi na se nya dede a adedi ne omo bono kakra wote atiam sa nti ne bro ne de yakopɔ anim de kura ne we kura omo de a che ne kura ke so omo ma bi kura eka ho.
I'm a victim of how I come. Ask her if I deserve the men that she brought to come and attack me. Yeah. Ask her the people that they shot and killed at Kaswa. And the organizer that died. Go and ask her the guns that she shot and people that did they deserve it. Yeah. If I move away, a parliamentary candidate, what they did to her, did she deserve it? And ask her what consent. The slaps that they gave to me when they were pulling me out of my moving vehicle to continue beating me. Honorable Amate from Teshi, he used to be the MC for Teshi. He came to call him Maya Waso because he and the wife came. He tried to intervene. They beat him and beat the wife also. You understand? Trying to save me. Ask how I consent. Did I deserve it? If I didn't deserve it. If I think that he thought I deserve it, so she brought the tax to come and attack me. So whatever happened, if I did, she deserves it better.
And no. Every be a chem, or Mamusi Brame Pam, Ndiane, Saduno so, Nessa Media, Nessa Fatamedia, Nediano Crade, Wilmajano Cram. And ya wuti ye a Minerals Development Fund, or no, and a Wessom. Hannah Louisa, BCU, me wafa Infantini Bar, and waprin the minimum. Na yankwa homane swe na ye ne yensem twere a otonkra e de mayen e wo bia ya bato no kwaso Blekumanot ne den eden opoku adusi Emmanuel dodo asade mane DJ active yankwa ne chenko ni nkomo yima
mini abema
majo
mejo so
be bia gina ho boko de
adom ahweye de bia kogu
aya no abon ho ban pa ho hia mpa esesi ahimfa na ogya na bato nsu nsanso no ekoduru sen wo ma hia se kenkan.
Okay, send ye anopano ye dikan ebo ye tiefo enchiremu efa Blekumanot abato no ho no obi beka se ajebo aja anya aba bedu samre amene o ekasa ya abono nsia apamu ide abato ni nyina etimi aba na wieye ewo empeso a mebo apro ekofa ye ni nyina aba na wieye samre me no kasa ide results no etimi aba abedu a ye hwese ni nyina abukwa kopiemu ewo coalition center na chese mpanyimfo ede omon krata ne omon stamp nyina etimi enseso nti hwebe entonkopem se anajo eye duba akwa na se nondu no na babia susan de body e befa no na chese Blekumanot etimi enya eye MP ewo honoma bibia betimi akonka na send the results no etimi eba ye ni bi ni okopiemu ewo St. John's Baptist Church ewo odoko no hono eye ye maame akua afriye eya ojina mu edema MPP enya 74 sanso ana Ewurabna Obin NDC enya 68 ewo eye St. John's Baptist Church eno ewo odoko sanso na kopiemu ewo Methodist Church odoko eno so MPP enya 77 NDC enya 130 ana NDC etimi enya Church of Pentecost MPP enya 21 sanso na NDC enya 38 ube piemu ewo DVLA babia awia na mejina ya mtese meto enkra no ede eba DVLA eye adama mi ewo awoshi no ho MPP enya 97 sanso na NDC enya 191 na chese ho no 10 out no na ewo soro pa sanso na God First MPP enya 108 ana NDC enya 100 asiedu jedu eno so ewo awoshi hono ma adama mi eno so MPP enya 112 ena NDC enya 120 enso ewo hono odoko MTTD eno so MPP enya 27 which is 27 ana NDC enya 20 article hono so no eye MPP enya 77 ana NDC enya 129 na ofe results na baya na na chese 10 out no ewo form kakra meka se nyina mu no de yisi mpanyimfo officials no de omonsa SC inkrata so samre me no ekasa de ya page ballot box ahodo ni nyina every polling stations ahodo na ekwakopiemu ewo coalition center omohwe na omakokole bibia na bibia etimi akonkan ewo ntiegu so a yedi yeni edi achiri na chese results a so far so good etimi abekamen sa ene anwumre ewa ha eno no
it is say the police station be say sen ena wanimu no makan a abeda abonten
the see the mikra police station be say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
this enkron abanti aka 10
aka 10 na say
okay
hono mintimi enko but so far na idea me de mani coach we see am hwenetia esentem etimi ehu resource na eno ana yetimi ede amaye na etiefo
enti yima kwaso ade akire na de aka no emre semi besa ba won chene abaji mu nkiremu na de obedi nkonim no yade to dwama Ghana fo ahu na blekuma not a make say waye janka ne ekunafo no ye hu nipa obehwe won so
mini abe ma me da
ye da se pa ene wa man bo ene a woti ye eyem semhwe ne ono na to nkra de mayen e won krabo premantemo ne den ade Opoku Edusi Emmanuel dodo abonam la ne say DJ active ena wote ne kan sika yento aka se bono me wafa ase ba ko na wode pepper spray spray na ne hu nansam hwe ni office almost man obeko bio
o de de
DJ me ba DJ o mal nyame nhira hwe no me ba cha tumirika share me Facebook no ba ha me wafa ase ba ko na o mode pepper spray na ne hu nyina ma me kese ye bonu nsuo sei aka akran pipi ne ani si won abato no je o man kasa yi o mu mpanifo akohwe so na o man kasa koto aka akra bi so manya isabe sansem hunu na ye bebo dawuro na Ghana ni bia ncha de dem na duru ho a MPP ne NDC mpanifo no wo mo sala na mo nkoto aba na o man kasa mpa mu bi nyansam twerefo mo Ghana fo amane ade nsem hunu so ni
asa ne esise o mu mu yo mo fa ya nya
adan nipa ba akọ onsem twani akọ abato so hwe pepper spray dia spray na ni hu nyina ma ye bonu nsuo yi adan ya pa bi so ani so anopa we ma na ni ba ko ekwa anwan ade na ye agye aka akra mesi MPP ne nisi mu mpanifo na makoto aba mo mokosi gina ma mankasa mo ho na mo amahweso alopoto ma Ghana fo ya bre mo
dia ye ide kwadwo
yanko yanim
yanto akase ebone so na mra hwebedwani ede ma ningo pram ono aso na ye osuafo na hwenkita udie hu nsem so aye Samuel Nate George eden sama batuja chemu say ye omampani dada be de che Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eye ne nsema oka ede afa eye basabasa ye koso wa blekuma not no ka na nuntum kura na ye nsema obetro social media no so na ochemu so obi mmomode anoko kancha Bawumia sa onka na nuntum na ne koso we ye ayawa so west wagon ewo ye mfimpi mienu eni dunkru nim no eden anokafo aho afe anobekasa ede afa blekuma not no ho na nini na ye ne koso ewo ye blekuma not St. Peter Society Methodist Church police station odoko basabasa ye akoso achase ye buru amanfo omampani dada be de che Dr. Bawumia ekoka se ade omomode no mugya yesa kabina minka bia mamu no etimi nkoso no enu nti no Samuel Nato George omomode no nka na ntu obi amfre no ma no mbekasa bebre efa abdekuma not ntokwa ekoso no
ni post ni na DJ Omale on dia to ho amaye ni nti eni someone should tell Bawumia to shut up. What did he say about Ayawaso West Wagon in 2019? And the 2019, wamuburi nipa, obi anka hwe. Enti ene, edru musuni sibrama, monka manuntum, weye Sam George, ene wakan. Enti se Ghana, ya di se ya yo maina.
Ebe yeyi.
Anya mena meka chire Ghana ni, nyumi nsumi ntu Ghana ni fo. Because ye keken, ya beka se Ghana ni mpeno kure. Se ya na MPP ni anisi debe ya Ghana dia. Na 19 polling stations ena posi for ntumi ahweswe na 2024 19 polling stations Ghana Police Service ntumi an control
na 2020
the entire nation
ye na be hye dem no mo ato mo aba
Ghana ni untu hu fa wo fa de me bo me nkwa ho ban maka kire wo me bo me nkwa ho ban yo sika ye ko ye ni na me bo a
ani
ye de ye kro no ye ko pie mo ewo epie ma tenim na mobile telephone network ye twanitia I can say MTN. Ene do yada epie mantemo ehwahudu pam. Na ne nyane so mamadea ene nsɛmtwerɛfo. No mom ka bia wom e de ahyemu akofo dua. Na nyane sa afi bia ahyemu aya na MTN adwuma kuo no edie no tenase. Ebo amane empuntudwuma hodo omoye e de boa potem mantam ne mensena hodo. Womba ho dawudo maganda fo nyina hu modembo. Ene hyehye pa ne dwumadi papa MTN adwuma kuo no eye e de boa man ene mantam hodo. Da dwumadi akoso no enya semikuma kwa mu kyeremu a project ahodo ma ye no aye oha ene aduoson miensa 173 project a ebi aye makomako eye aduokron ekọ edema enwomasua meche educational project na mu makomako eye 57 ene so eye pomuden health project ahodo no maje ene mu makomako edungwatwe so ekọ edema eye sikasem a omade aboa nipa bi menwuma ekọ so titiru eye ma atetrem beboro manya sika edi dwa se be ye beboa na omanya koyanim na unemployment no etumi atemeka eye economic empowerment programs awodo maye edi aboa nipa ne madwumade ne kwaso no ena deputy eye Eastern Regional Police Commander Assistant Commissioner of Police ACP Richard Apia eden sam edu tudwa na wo kire mi sem wono modwene adehye mo ye baba mani adwuma ko ne ho ye papa obi e moden akwa pesika no akwaba na sese o se ye baba mani ebedu baabi o ho ne mo sa na obi abura store bi be yi sika be ho na matwetuo sika no fa ne nyina ma me se wanya obetu baabi nka ayasa grow ne tim aya ne tim no makum nipa o kyerem se modu kom ye papa ndom gusu aya nhye pom be no mo moden na adehye mo ye baba mani no wabo mo ho ban pam ACP Richard apia ka se na o kyerem se adehye mo ye mamu osra mo ada nipa bonfo abanti adwuma na mo mani na waye pa obi ko yi sika no free bank de bape no diskana besi bedwam na wo kan ne se wi jesa wo de sika hye wata so kromfo ne bape o se akrachi se sika wo ho sa ye kwa aba na wakofa boto discussion bo jesa ne otu ahye boto ba ya dima ya na wakunu agi sika ndekọ o chemse mo hwam ho ye pam ene wa chi so mo aden asai Ghana Post Service muni wanum ni gita ho pa sa wote se obi aba wo shop o hwehwe mani pa we ya se onya kro na obebo afra wanom no mama de ameboa wo se be beboa na kro na hodo ekoso no eso betumi etwa ACP Richard appeared in same say tuja.
As far as the police is concerned, we are duly concerned about the security for our women vendors. That's one of the major things that is affecting us in this our region. We've been engaging them, we've been talking to them on the need to take personal security, various Momo points, very serious. Some of them sometimes act in a way that attracts the criminals. They are supposed to ensure that they don't count money openly around. They are also supposed to ensure that they have secured cages so that when anybody comes, he is protected in there. They must always also have the numbers of the various security agencies or the police at their disposal so that when they see any suspicious character in their premises or around the area where they work, they quickly call and then the police responds. We believe security is a shared responsibility. We must all work together and ensure that we operate in a safe environment.
Ani a woti yi ukopie mo ewa pie mantem ne mu a mekire kofodua ne potem Eastern Region. Ono na Deputy Eastern Regional Police Commander, Assistant Commissioner of Police, ACP Richard Apia ena wote ne na ne kwakura mo no ena channel manager Edima Member Money Limited ewa MTN adwumakuo no akache. Ne den Edi Faisal Ali na odi afuto ema Ghana fo nyina de osra mo ada uba hwa na obi afra wo phone no so ai make a free MTN office na mayamfo so ma send sika ba phone to mesra wa bamoden na mamu code na sika no menyi ma ade wate ose osrew sabe MTN adwumakuo ne mfra nka nkyerɛ wo sɛ obi anyamfo so nti sika no da bida ebi nsi so obi frɛw no yen oka kyerɛ sɛ wa send sika ma aka kyerɛ ne sɛ on frɛ MTN panifo na ma ho matrofo so yɛ ba ko pɛ na ma bia frɛw aka kyerɛ sɛ onim no enso so ne so kra MTN fa ahomatofo mdiri dwuma no ɛyɛ 0244 Tieniye pam 0244 300,000 0244 treto hanom 0244 300 000 0244 300,000 pe na MTN fo wonom number betumi afro eno achi nso Feza early ebo Ghana fo amane so mugusu a ene wonom amde wonkita ho on provide a year financial assistance e de aboa Economic and Organized Crime Office Mechelo company for aboa e madwiri ma nipa be de bo MTN Ghana for no atwa Ghana for de hyeso mobile yimba mani no omusika e ho atumi ato no.
My name is Faisal Ali. I'm a channel manager for Mobile Money Limited. What we are trying to say to public or our customer base is that mobile money is safe. You can continue to enjoy the service. It provides you all the financial services you require. What you need is just to protect your wallet by ensuring that you follow some golden rules. Number one, don't entertain any call regarding your transaction on the phone. Make sure you don't also share your PIN. And then ensure that the only number that you receive a call from MTN is 0244 300,000. Once you follow these rules, rest assured that mobile money will be safe for you. You'll enjoy all the service that it comes with. So that is the assurance we give to our customers, because as a business, we continue to put in all the necessary measures to ensure that internally the platform is safe. Through the supervision of Bank of Ghana, will continue to be a safe platform for all financial transactions. So we have started already as a business. Mobile Money Limited have partnered with Yoko to support them with infrastructure and financial support to be able to fight the fraud.
Ani a wote ye ono na ye channel manager Edema Mobile Money Limited. MTN Ghana kache the day Edi Faisal Ali na mani boy yensem twene continue ko fi opo in a different appearment temo ebesom yen.
Yantua Kasiabone so na Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association ene a Parliamentary Select Committee on Health abomodia ehia atwetwe nkomo na omo ko eye nhemudie na se eye osoafo na ehwe apomudin ho nsem so sanso ana eye oman Ghana ye foto sanfo eye Fair Wages and Salaries Commission for so ekohia mu wo honom ana nipo host eye Parliamentary Select Committee on Health na eye Minister of Health editudwa echemu se aban ni gina bia owo edema ye Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association ni chirema eye book and research allowance any uniform allowance per anode aka eye media budget ne ho no mu chirema mu di eye aban ne ho ya papa esan say ye budget ode abetudwa identiase ho ye dempa edema wom na bra ye press briefing ekoso ana eye president edema Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association eye Mrs. Perpetual Fori Ampofo edi tudwa na ochemu se eye budget abayi di enya de omujitum na bibia chese aban no enya ade a eye nurses for ni midwives for no omuye de ehuhia no ewo man mu esan se adenti ana niema ehuhia mode ko agreement no asa aban eye free more di book and research allowance ene eye uniform allowance per ene de ahye budget ni modern sem say edi tudwa ya bomodi ase yen sabetimi aka ene no ede amamu na sani omuchie mu ne de na chese budget no eyenti ase na omoko enti aban sani ewuyi bia free mu de ha adwinye pa
meeting here was here your employer Asia or Parliament House on 26th June. The bar actually say, on to share that echo share 10 July 2025. It's the ANRA 10th July 2025. Your Bormodia Echo Parliament House Echo Sa meeting or your coin na a paying for Omodom Parliamentary Health Select Committee on Health. Ewo hobby. Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. Ewo hobby. Ministry of Finance. Ewo hobby. Ena Yaya Sector Ministry. The Ministry of Health. The only two you need to say, Yaya Minister, and the two and they say, government's position, FI demands, no, and they say, and your mother, you know, between and the account media budget, a book and research allowance, and a uniform allowance. Your mom, CSA, and your mother, the two women in the last time, Asia, and not that he himself, who will be catcher and say, almost the account, your mother, you know, falls below our expectation. It's yes, almost normal fasa, your mother, akano enkamo. Na diaka a chain now. Yamaya Adom now almost prepare budget for 2026 now. Na almost the thing na akano send a beya. You could run next year more in Sabeka San your money.
Enwechi anodi tuja no chemu se eye nurses for be 125,000 omuni midwives omo wa mayimu no asomu ye die no enhyeda hu hi o mampani to mo hwe nim se eye mfimpim yenu ne aduonu nsia ye budget no mbebo modin ade eye niam omo jitu mu no ninina ebehiem ede ama wo mo wie no de asida kese ede ma eye chairman sanso na ye ranking member ana ye members of a Parliamentary Select Committee on Health no so mabomode atimi ahwe akwasidi e wo honom no mo pese omusia no kwan
enti ye meeting no ye share dey pay for Omodom National Council no Asia amadwo na ye to adwen no de ebe chire ene say and the kind ye on catch ye afa de ntia omanfa 8% non-basic allowance and fuel allowance no outcome no ye sha enya asama ye betumi agiatum enti no fair wages meeting na over Friday say emra Tuesday 15 July 2025 no ye be cause our meeting na ebo ye bo kokko say ye ne nyoma ye be na after 15th of July, no engine. 15th July, the second year of Messiako. Yes, now say about commitment and a good faith and leading in that meeting. After so, yes, your employer and say, oh, share now, Yoma, and they are so now I catch your almost no more fun come. The account will be over. Yet Parliamentary Select Committee Chairman, that's ranking member, and members are working in our committee, and almost say, Oma Bomode, Oma try, say, the Rioma, a higher fire collective agreement implementation, also, I almost catch on the dying.
Any ya uti ye Mrs. Perpetual for we ample for na president at the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association. Na manibo yen same Choni Elvis Kuma Samson and the besumi.
Samson amane bono no. Ya da na se pam. Na Ghana ni me ka we be ya dre no. Ya bre ne kwode na nso call no anya hwe kura no. Ya ba fa ba komienu bi pe na ya sore kase bono so. Eno ye sofa. Na menso finance na no me ka ose dwumadie bi ba in fact emu de pasa no manam dwumadie we metietua pam na ne nyina da ene say event Adam wonom ne eye D Genesis akadia bom dwumadie bi ba ede ada so ye Adam and Eve dinner night in fact emu de pasa no man dwumadie no emu be ye de panim be hwampam mesra wada singers ene afi mu amawade mi ka se sudwani abrante ko nhira me ka ho Monso ma wade DJ Omalion ene eyi kwam yafum ne ma maka so mu de ewum awadefo mu de ewum pi na nya dwumade eba no eye dinner night ye pe ba bia siesie ho kama ma bedidi ma beji mani enwum tie tua asetuam ene ye comedy ahodo pasero pa in fact mani je beji krum no aje se yankopon fisiro behwe mo e ho be de pa nti mesra wada dwumade ewe and try so be you hu afirim fiso you hu firim a waso ebe ye hye papa Yasansu wo take it pa take it no bebre na wa ha no say ya bomodin ya bema ahomatofo abetumi afre na dodo bi a wo pe no watumi aba beje ne bo no so in fact for pam na ho wure bewura no enya se kwame metuatua bi na sha ne nso dwumadie no dwumadie ahodo bekoso ne bini mesra live band bekoso ye bepo wonwom wo besa wani beje pam ene wa chinso singers no bi bekoso pa in fact rafu bi bekoso na draw no koso wi a wa bedi mu konim no ubenya free massage in fact massage mi ka se ya wo be ye zemfie aduasa wonya massage da de bia da wo hwenam rensen ya do bekọ me wo bomaden akọ chese ne be bia de bekọ no Italy gone papa spy bia wo ho fe pa kama ye beto ye boss ye miamia won siesie mu say yes in fact woni fedua no akọ no na akosiesie ho pamla wadi mu kwanim no we eye wodia ye wien se be san de wakodi na night wo kwa kwaji wani woni wadofo mo kohwidia bom we nyina da umpewe na sabe opekaya matum dwumadie no ma menkyerɛ obia ya betodwe ne nyina ne sɛ dwumadie ne betodwa ewo hotel wo East Legon Accra the Dish Restaurant venue no the Dish Restaurant eno no won krabo prematem East Legon hwanom ene dwumadie no ebekodwa ebetodwa hwanom date no sana bosome ne da etaso mienu emfempem mienu ne aduonu enumu emle numye no nsia abapa ho enumle no nsia bo kopem enumle no nkro metre 2nd August 2025 6 p.m. ekopem 9 p.m. in fact ho be de paribo made say event we no wontumi yo ho emfefre ni nyina ne say ticket no ne boa for pam papa ticket no 150 Ghana cedis we oba obenya aduane adi obenya drinks ahodo a wope asanom wasan nyinso de apodwe so enti krachi bo made ana bram upemu nkyeremu a fremperifa ahomatrufo ticket bia upe bia na wonsa beka 0595 313 013 0595 313 013 and 0245 728 705 and 0508 805 100 tiago point of money an nyina yenko hie ewo Adam and Eve dinner night no ewo 2nd August 2025 ewo the Dish Restaurant is Legon ne yenko gieni manko bia ebe hadwen yemfa course ne 2 na paka je tentenase no mfa ko papa so sem no emesome yen Ghana ni de asie ne ablekuma not abato na ko hwa ya hwe nipa ne ewo ho no 2024 ana 2028 Ghana abato no ehun sunsuanso no wa utwamfoni a hu ne sen maadwo medofo
yo Nhyiraba
senior udi na bia kasa free
Dia na to me bridge and kamana muziki
30 seconds boni tew
yo they come ourselves so me we say two party we say no money we be at the you nti me we so be protest ba ko a na ne ho ya mesere because o my say do me I do you no money e dey it you my class be to abakra bi because so ko si wonu kra na bi ko si a wa nti no ye tu omo for why offer
CP woni amedase bebre maadwo medafo
Nhyiraba
sa kwade atema committee 11 champion me enti animre
yo medase maadwo
mejo so sak yenko
sa party mienu we sa party mienu we ya enkwala gumi omunya mpanifo ade omunyina ye nyina ye nkwala ye entino 2028 ye be chire min kankaga enka soja bank ye
yo
nanka sa party mienu onya ya be chi omo twomo ma
Matisak, nyame ka ho pa. Yo, wonso wo to abana, na se wo mpe wo ma na wasesa wo no, nyame nhyira opi. 0534501999 0593406565. Yemfa we ni enyere nso so ma adwomedofo.
Hello, Openie.
Oh, senior, we didn't be aka free. Oh, champion, 30 seconds pe na yenko. Mejo so.
Opa, on say area so no. Yeah, bia say good krokotukura say ye di ayambo ye sacrifice because who ye nipa say bi wadin ye djuma nipa djinde otirima who ko pa djuma mo bi na who ko konto come ya bo abra nti o mo am ko ta antokwa no o mo nye nipa who se mo ye nipa so no enye nipa djinde otirim nti sacrifice na do mbe ye
me so da so pa say do me family na scholar na ma so me bre na kopa majo
me ofa sa sunte
mama manjo me yenko
yo me die Nyamaka ni say omo de omo nkoso na emme da ye bia mesumene no ya nhwe ya mitiru kesi eba
yo
na emme Ghana ya nhwe na so omo nja sa nyama na omo nkasa so omo bre nyina so ye bebre aka na emme ye man so bebre aka
yo
nti omo to omo fo
merase
nenka
yo Ghana ni mesra ofra metumi fa ye bre no e de anim kana mesra mo eye Adam and Eve dinner night na bekoso ewa this restaurant ewa isi Legon no singers make say won wade ye sikapa on wade ye ntu okobia one ne mpona ana ense wonya wade ye ntu ne be makwa eye mpona ana wadamfo ana meboa na hwemanim na kase I said de wi wani masi wonu obi kwa ida say wo mpona ana wadamfo mokwa momienu eye 150 Ghana cedis pe DJ Omalion wa wade enti so onu so wo kono ne yere na ekwa try na Ghana cedis ne makwa akotua dinner night makwa gimani adidi anom de aka ho anom nsuo ma so de yakọ mudi nkunim wo rafo no munsu a ene so makwa kwagimani spa we say kura menya so se wakọ massage da ne makwa twetwon na wo we de na si so ho na ma yetro kan kama enti ne ho aseman ka se bone ye de asi emusemufo ne ye mace me belantwi ne se mu ete emaye DJ Omadi ekopie mo Facebook no so DJ Zigibi echichi afire from adesem ye akenkafo ye mienu di ameje se wo fa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi ma hoteden ene ehunso mpene mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa.
Ye kwei aswizwa kilantria wa wonim apaka jet no wotena se na kopama so nsema ne saka no. Ode atwa so ediasmo mu nyina monitor adehye.
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9. DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Sara yanku popeno. De na yankupo atworo se ebe ho no ene be ye ho enti ye da yankupo ase ansa na mistakes na ba in our player side na omutimi equalize ye no inshallah bro ni se mintu mo ase obehwe na wasiye se no mabi
the other direction of face econo here
direction me ye na ediko ye ediko wini na ba kofa obi aba na ma high diamond na Mitianica. Some of you are journalists, some of you you are doing like you don't go to school. Direction, man. I'm taking Confessor to a good direction. We thank God. We didn't lose in our home today. 4 matches, 1 point. Alhamdulillah. You are taking yourself for bad direction, action, bad caution.
Fiada gbe wotro melegbedura no vinyo pegbeto fiu gamado menoyin
sports ye me chokbo no yimen ko enyo Freestyle Friday sports me de kuku no Lion Madena grona made na mesia micropromoto fio o me radio anocho dare DL 106.9 Freestyle Friday sports me no me chokbo no anyame ganyo bi tu obole bo no ko ye Facebook e YouTube bekene minga bo efian no yo be she wata she ko woke Freestyle Friday sports ni ba me pa bo fa ni ochemoko ni moko akemoko ni mofia mo ke radio for DL 106.9 Freestyle Friday Sports. What tashin Wakaba Kajo Radio be handing for be. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. Friday evening, we are back on your radio. We are coming to review all the latest updates in sports and also throughout the week. All the sporting headlines. We are coming to review it. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that Freestyle Friday Sports is airborne live now on DL 106.9. Ebusi amami na we so na memo adwo ema okwaba mbpm won kran pumpuni mantem ene Ghana ajatum kasafidie kese ba kopeso DL ohani nsia echiripo enkron ene efiada emerewedu se agudie momranti yesi yankonya na efiti juada branda ukuada yawada fiada nsem atwitwagu eya agudie mu nsema yedi won komo no yesansu twan ni koyechi na yedi won komo na afensu yama okwan na otwimu no agudie mu nsem atwagu ye no na wonso kire wadwen e de fon wesan se de bia asema meka ne se radio no ye de man yetiefo ne ahwefo enti nsem na ye de ba no monso mo se fatapa se mo be kire mo adwen e de afon enti na fiada nwumre ya tena se Freestyle Friday fiti juada besi na fiada nsem atwagu wa agudie mu no yebema okwan na wachire wadwen na bibia nso aye kamantie busun ya tena se Freestyle Friday Sports ye de eba besumo enne anwumre na ebusuan nuanum ni nyina wa ena ye de nsem no eba seda kese enkoma kwame afumo tayechiri as producer ye de nsem no eba DJ Omayon Facebook and YouTube or the yat watafa obetumi akohwe ewo DLFM 106.9 ebusuan mi amede nsem no eba na di ameje so no eye ayensu ano de hye apakanGH the Blizzard King na ebusuan and the Freestyle Friday yetna si ensamen na yede ba begu puno so a yempen for mo so mo ba Fred mo adwen kire dia ba na numbers a yede be fa mo course no stay alert me ba se si a be fa mo course no numbers no 0534 050199 and 0593 406565 0534 050199 and 0593 406565 enchibia na otwin sama ya gudie mu nsema etwaguye ne apese o kire wadwen won bia no yebema kwan na watumi a kire wadwen ewon na otwin enkomo a yedi ewa gudie mu no onim se women's WAFCON no eguso ekoso ewo Morocco na the senior women's national team the Black Queens of Ghana omo gina Ghana nemo na otwin na South Africa boy kamienu pew yentumi anteni anim se nne against Mali no nanka yebeye nkonya bi o nanki yetumi ahye ne yetumi akọ nanso fofia ntwata ema no adwale abamo enne Black Queens asabo draw ye ne Mali 1-1 enti after losing to South Africa no yasabe draw against Mali so yen last game against Tanzania no must win for Black Queens sa game ne yen win a automatically we are out into Black Queens yedi omo nkomo den na okajrom na Black Queens na nsen anda Nora Hope to an omo chi obi a omo hye no den na esia Kim Last Bioka Green ebaya Black Queens no atete apansam all of a sudden yedi nkomo e odwumade so na anwumre emayo ne den na okajrom ball no kra no na anwumre uhwe bi a den na Black Queens for no anye ne ye ne yedi kan hye yo ene ye tena se ama Mali for no ebeti ye yedi Black Queens nkomo upiem ewo Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence Pramprama eho ensna wafu zombi under 20 men's cup of nation ekoso na endra Black Satellite of Ghana yene oma yefen Nigeria yem first game ye draw eno so 1-1 NAP eno so sa ye share last minute ena Nigeria for ne beti kan crofo se Desmond of Fen as hype bia na ya hype no onya de be ya yenya ne kwan ema ne nko Black Satellite nsam so a yedi won komo na bibia enso etumi aye kama ede ama ewo dwumadie ne so a enya asem ketwa na otwen Honorable Sports Minister Honorable Idi Kofi Adams ekopiem ewo Asante Mantemo na Kumase Baba Yara Stadium okoye inspection nia enkoye obia no ose animanim ya no ombe keka nyama sie ni sere be ya Baba Yara no ebe gina ne nanso na Kumase Asante Kotoko etumi ambo mu Confederation Cup no okoye no okomenhia ekosra His Royal Majesty otumfo se tutu emo de kotu na anim se nana maba ona ase Baba Yara mbehwe se ene no ni state ne tesen ya problem bia won bia ne aye na kotoko etuma bo Confederation Cup no ena His Royal Majesty otumfo se tutu de to na anim se o support no na mining company se wa santimantem nyina obeka kire mo na emwa bia on betumi e de aboa na Baba Yara ye renovate no ye renovate nti na otwen minister so Jene Samba pankrofo bona baso as a minister we or ye swift ewo decision bibia ni a intentem so no ye na adwen so obeye na otwen eno so nsam trendy bruta ewo Ghana ha enye asem ketwa Accra Heart of Folk na otwen anso no mo de batudwa se Eco International Tournament no omuntumi enkobo biem omo person players no enya mandatory rest period in House of Folk na otwen so no mo de batudwa se Eco International Tournament no omo nkona has etua niwadi wiase sika no be $70,000 Salim Adam sika no has etua edi amoma yedi ewonsam so etumi edi amon na bobo kwa efena Accra Great Olympics agosu oligbogbo olimashi olim konson ende omapa former nso ateman FC omo general manager Eric Alagidede se omra no be general manager ntine Eric Alagidede latest news eba se oye new manager ede mabobo kwa yefen nso ateman FC ayede wonsam etumi ede atu wanim ewo yendwumedie so enanwumre a enye asam keto ahomo World Cup na otwi ye pa ontuma na 17th August na eba so yede chegbese manche ni ayibo ntani monyam has ene boboku a yefen Heart of Lions ena ebebo na Kumase Asante Kotoko onim so mbe kwa Africa omo ye signings Richard Boadu Agadas omo new omo former midfielder omo former midfielder omo former captain oba abaye omo new midfielder enti nkomotwetwe na du akiri Richard Boadu Agadas is coming back to Kotoko sanso na Abrantia yefen Hilary Lord Adabo no so no Kotoko efano from Samates sika APM no 200,000 Ghana cedi titi sika no 2 billion ena Kotoko editor no ena fenso Abrantia yefen Philip Amo ono so from Boboku a yefen niwadi wiase oba Kotoko na enei Abrantia yefen Justice Blay Abrantia na toto bomba enya sam keto akra na onim se Kotoko ene Justice Blay a party ways mutually na ena Justice Blay ekopiem ewe yen sister station Pure FM Wokumase ene senior most bright can Boadu kodi nkomo na Justice Blay bomba wakoto ton wo Pure FM neno enya asem keto na Justice Blay say ono de ohun se Kotoko form peno no dadada adenya osi Kotoko camp omosi ono no rensa etwitwi bi osi an onfansie ono Justice Blay de nsa onom etwene nso otwibi so ewi no ono mo se draw to and obi anim but osi otwitwim osanso no monsa na Kotoko players no dodo na atwitwim dodo na no monsa nti mo nkase ne nko a osi problem e ba ne se nansi ya ne girlfriend o invite se baby girl besra me ko ado match me mfa match kakra girl ne ba no no beto Kotoko player abro ene Abrantia yefe no Mohamed Kamara goalkeeper no se omuti kona bi omutwitwi hihye em se girl no so oni mutwitwi kakra once a week for no omutane omo twem prapanti no wonder say na Justice Blay so otwitwim girl no so na otwitwim enti odu wa ohun se Joseph Abro ene Mohamed Kamara etwitwim no ena girl no dwan ne omushisha omububo shisha na Justice Blay friends baby girl ma twen wa awen oba o se me ba no kohun se one Abro no mti wo mo twitwitwim ano girl ne ba no se na wo obi a ma invite wo se bra me mfa match no ena wo akwahye ba bi ni me teammate etwitwi shisha ne ade na ena ye on girl ni ntem kasakasa na girl born asum girl ni born no Justice Blay asum no nso se na oba me betena ma be ma wabo masum no nso yisi girl no born asum ena girl ni fa ni phone de ball fam ena no nso Justice Blay fa girl ni phone de ball fam afedi ni teammate ni bi ablonom ene camera no se girl no call report no e police station na kwaya kasakasa bebre ni nyina kan bi ena Kotokofo ne se onko de me nka Justice Blay asem emfa ma ye ntie no me ba na ma be fa mo course no
omba na me frɛ no my friend no na bisa so you know so or yeden or ba na me so okay mate nti sana friend say tenedu so ne camera na I say we see free tenedu eho eba no will be as a camera so ani abrom so ase
okay
nti sana camera mu ani abrom so mu yeden omu twishisha nti sana get no buy no oh asem we baby
Dennis
it's almost in kwana tea Dennis almost in kwana me no mensa
okay o de nyare kasa
enti omu twishisha na
o de yeah others no dey no can you stick it to you o dey fa oh you dey
I say enti ane de na get no kwadwen no omo enti get no my friend no later no buy na me say na obi a o ba me o so ba me hono wa ba na wa kwakwahye baby foforo say yesa na get no ne bu ye den e fu ye na me say ada na obu efu why ade na me ka na obu efu na me so me bu fu ye na me ka chen say me pie me lock na she dem wona my den e pie na get no say ada na me lock no na ada o ya kra na nti e hono this understanding by na get no bo maso to bo maso na me so me ye dem me bo ni bi nti na me charge me phone na o fa me phone na o de hwe ho na me phone ni say na me so me fa na de hwe ho na no so na de ni say na eda ne ntokwa
okay
nti eda ne ntokwa no na boys ni yeden o mo bae nti o mo bae na abe he na me de be yeden me free ho nti that day man de fio
okay
man de fio na me yeden
95.7
106.9 me bae na eno de o ye wesi man ya de wesi man
voice na ewa be 8 minutes nyame adom chena ye bebo DL Power Sports na nsama Justice Blay akika no kotoko team manager they need to sack him as early as possible because as a team manager now tiwoma players ye masem koma on atwitwi shisha no nsane ade o camp dia then kotoko team manager say ni manima ya omo pamono because na adwuma we as a team manager anything in some Justice Blay can voice in here be 8 minutes nyame admo chena ye bebo e wo DL Power Sports so e dia in some way any afufuru pi oba obetimi abekere wadwen won aseda kese yam fama Lumba en super mo de emote ende no bombodi ana pebinom na bibia enye kama emfama insu a obia no wo Ghana ande no eno ane Lumba super pebi enom 0555 274757 ana 0577475343 Lumba super pebi enom apakan GH eni mebi lines na dia atum 0534050199 0593406565 oba na wonso no wachire wadwen ne yakoye nim na bibia enso aye kama ewo ofrefo odi kampa che odi ni ba bia kasafi
apakan GH we ye Dixon bada afo fa kudi di drogba matasafi edku region
ofie pe mpa che yenti o
pa ta me da ase odi bi eba no Ghana national team make up black queen and a blaster on the yako group stage young qualifying to me no I am we dempa but the team start qualify to more where be you be the best sana young national team no the success sana who was certain protocol so that is way and the home can qualify we play the other for ball ko anima say nurubon no me yes they want you on film na ni si were to say o pesa wo yes football no en mo mi si were so last
ya da se bra penisa onso obae pache odi ni bia kasafi
hello
yes sir boss
apaka GH
yes good evening
Richard Tapman
bra rich mpache yentio
black is for no match na me kan wa sa ma she almost first match ni na but no so ma o kika no from Kaka because black is a minimum no but no ni say teamwork ni njuma teamwork because you said those times Adebayo I that press via old press na me so almost count in just a new face to do and teamwork ni say that njuma sa the coach na so obo modena the next match no team ni mai na ko yen
Yanso yada sisa oba bla rich nyamishra we pa 0534 050199 and 0593406565 oba ye betumi afa wana wonso no ode wadwen kire ede abansama ya boroboro so ne na otwen nsama wo twetwegu ewonya gudie mu Black Queens inde faba ko se nkrofo se Kim Last no waba se team no wabese team no de mfa kra nyama nkoyi yesane mali nso etumi abodro na Bismarck do say bra ma minchia ene enwumre nso 0534050199 oba ye befa mpache odi ni baabi akasafi
abakan
yes sir boss
memo ajo
mpache o meje so
nana da ko ya dom ni dobro
bra pen mpache yentio
ya da wasine adwuma pa oyebo aye na me de me kotoko no yo omo pese omo ye team no otumfo oma ompeje ni mu no ma ne nsaso because muntimi ntina camp eni san kwase assembly sebi
to sebi mama mesro
ana maka sebi no
okay
ade ya famo se mo meye adwuma maye na mo fa aye omo mo fucha na mo de yesa no because team bi wo ho a player bi wo ho na ni a pressure wo pekotoko mu aye dey abehye na ya ne star na aye dey ashine ama team bi aye dey abefa no na mo manya chance na ya ewo camp a na de mu ye efa so be na wo so ba ko na mo wi ni ye no ntimu ni se mo awi on etimpa mo cho aya mo nto mo fomai why see any abre
mpache yo
mo fa ya come any agro
yanso yada se obaye enso yemfa be ba kubi enka ne yemfa manone kakranta echire ne enko no china ya wa 3 hours mu ya ba be ka won sempi he kotoko players are his royal majesty utumfo artiste ajidan kakra de ama monda danum ya wo chef ne cook say ye aduane de ma muntua light bill muntua water bill bosom so ani ya se tua mka moti camp shisha ne ade ena moburu mu ne ade na nsemu ena moti camp na mudi he oh Ghana footballers ni bi de bi nye serious so mwanya we nyina mo betena camp abobo no nsemu nu kwa na mudi 0534050199 and 0593406565 yamfa baakubi encounter yamfansi na yanko na yamfa kakire bintu aso ewo amanone emfama na nyame adom na ochena yeba pi ewo ho a yeba beka ho asem enso so ewo honom na uremu ewo amanone a boboku a ye friend Brentford unim se nansen a na omuja eye abrante ye friend Christian Norgard yes Denmark for on midfielder nansen a omuja na kwan enti me no ka say no omope new midfielder manaba esan say Christian Norgard ekoboboku a ye friend Arsenal. Last call, I'm Pacho family.
Yeah, boy, good evening.
Good evening.
Pacho, your family salas in Sofia Sawa.
I'm Pacho family.
Pacho, who say some small things now, but also many players no one swears pa.
Aye.
Now,
hello? 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 David. Ne line no etwetwe nti sana American Brentford for no inde no Christian Norgard ekwas 90 omo pe replacement okay wasaba family yes sir good evening sir Mpacho lower radio set na family
Pacho let's play players that shisha no as a player there nu kwasa odo hushim kura enti se de o kan opanyi pa promodia adwemu ape bebia muda mo betom na mo bitimi akonsentrity on madwuma moye na je de musha de o sha moye no mesre we abai omumpanye suade wo na de moye no omunyai na mfaso mno omoso ndasi
yanso yada sese obaye chairman nyame adom ochena ba ye beto aso enso wo ho edi amao na bibia kamanti sana America no Christian Norgard afi boboku aye friend Brentford class 90 me no ka say former Liverpool midfielder former Liverpool captain oye English ye friend no eye abrante friend Jordan Henderson me no ka say Jordan Henderson ena oko boboku a ye friend Brentford 2 years contract ena oko sananse a no born ball edema ayas we few as a free agent ye won some edema until Jordan Henderson eko boboku a friend Brentford and so Chelsea abrante office Senegal ye friend no Nicholas Jackson Chelsea for aka chen say offer ba na offer ni ya on kwan say obetumi akoisan say ndey Joao Pedro ene Liam Delap nyina ewo nti offer ba na e good ono Nicholas Jackson obetumi anko report a meeting say AC Milan omani abrese omunya branti a ye frɛ no Nicholas Jackson obetumi afa no de na fi boboku a ye frɛ no Chelsea ere wonsam e de asomo Real Madrid say o ma branti ye frɛ Rodrigo Goes Brazilian no yes Rodrigo Goes se team bi at 100 million euros eba ombejano ama na konemo no Rodrigo Goes de waye na adwen so mfi Madrid enko pesot na no fight for the position a ye de won some dem Real Madrid echo FIFA Club World Cup anyama ankoye amfa ma omuyi omo se omo pese omo ye signing omo hia center back baako ena afen so no omo pese omo de midfielder baako ba na center back ne ameti and it's a French center back on board ma Liverpool no Ibrahim Konate ne nkomo twetwe ahase a Real Madrid a person mo fa Liverpool are ready so beton abrante no esan so mo de contract to na ni mo person be sign into Liverpool ayo wadwen say omunya ombeja no kwan no wa Real Madrid sama we a ye de won some edema Marc-Andre ter Stegen Germany for goalkeeper ni buafu Barcelona adan a o se Barcelona 4-4 so ne chinchiran say o mfiti mu no monko emro nya na adwen so obekọ enti ono de ni Barcelona ye no nani nji won kra eno eye abrante e fe no Marc-Andre ter Stegen ene ye de wonsam e di asum ye de esi ye economy chairman Ziggy B e de awoso abewoso so na ye Friday obebọ mu nwom bruta na Nhyira birthday na yan fan sorry so na we chairman Abizi of Subin so or say happy birthday enkoma elder Joseph Sumwa Buahin order the Church of Pentecost ano or dance man Gbegbeeze Central Assembly or say Nhyira na onya okese intino elder Joseph Sumwa Buahin the Church of Pentecost dance man Gbegbeeze Central Assembly or say Nhyira na onya okese papa na bibia enkoye emfama na DJ Gameli formerly of Kingdom FM inti no from DJ Gameli formerly of Kingdom FM and enkoma elder Joseph Somuabuan of the Church of Pentecost danceman Gbegbeeze Central Assembly or say elder Nhyira onya okese non to nkwanem na wo anointing no enye more elder Joseph Somuabuan from DJ Gameli formerly of Kingdom FM ye see ye call na Bismarck edu se wo hwe show no mami nchiao na afen so amwa konyong onso mami nchiao ase ba ko me ba ko na me hu a ba ko minim ebi ni ekire ye ba ko pe na me hu a anazigi ebi ka obiem ebi nka obiem ba ko pe na me hu inti no ni aye ye de esi ye ko enso ewo asida kese enkoma kwame efumota ekire ye de nsam no ebaye ena DJ Marion enso de enko Facebook amo akoyong ani Adwoa Agyei Da Costa munyina no ye nchiamo enso ewo Ziggy won te san